Welcome to a tutorial on how to self-tan your face using Strictly Faces from Sun Laboratories. First you'll need some makeup brushes. I always like to use old ones because then they get an extra life. I'm using the shade Dark Strictly Faces today. Apply a tiny amount on the makeup brush and just start blending that all around the temples of your forehead, your cheekbones, your jawline, and anywhere you really want to contour. I always use moisturizer to help it blend better because it is in shade Dark. And as you can see here, I am contouring my chin and my cheekbones to give my face that absolute snatched look that you really want. And just blend away, use the moisturizer. I like to use a mitt as well just to give it an extra blend. And you need to keep this on for around 3 hours before you rinse it off, and that will give you that really nice glowy look. Here I am contouring my nose. I like to do the sides of my nose, and then I like to put moisturizer right down the middle of my nose just so it really gives it that lightened middle. Here is what it looks like before I rinse it off, and then this is what it looks like after 3 hours. I get that nice golden bronze glow. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching.